Number 14, factor 16z squared into the 6th plus 64z into the 7th power minus 32z cubed n cubed. Well, let's write these things out first. Copy it down first, and then in place of z squared, I'll put zz. In place of n to the 6th, I'll put 6n's. Well, let's write it all out. Show you at one time. We have two z's, like we have two z's. We have 6n's right here, 6n's. Then we have our 64. We have one z, and we have 7 n's. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. We have 32 with 3 z's and 3 n's. There's 3 z's and 3 n's. Now let's see what they all have in common. Well, they all have a 16 in common. 16 will go into 16, 16 goes into 64, and 16 goes into 32. But besides that, they all have a z in common. You see every one of them has a z? Now you don't have two z's right here, so you only have one z. So the most that they would have in common is one z. Now let's see how many n's. You have 6 n's right here, it says. You have 7 n's right here. You have 3 n's. So every one of them contains 3 n's. Let's highlight those 3 n's. N, 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 N. You got 3 n's on each place here. Now what do they have in common? They have 16. They have a z. They all have a z. And they have 3 n's. So the common factor on this is 16, z, and 3 n's. Okay? Now when you write what's left here, the 16's gone out of here. You still have a z with 3 n's right here. Okay? If you take the z out of here on this one, and then you'll have, of the 7 n's, then you'll have 4 n's left, right? 4 of them will be left. All right, going back a screen or two, you have 1, 2, 3, 4 n's left, and 16 goes into this 4 times. So you'd have 4 n to the 4th for the next factor here. Okay? And if you divide 16 into this, it's going to go 2 times. You took a z out, so you only have 2 z's left, and all the n's are gone. So you have 2 z's left. Now 16 times 2 is 32. Instead of having z cubed, where you had 3 z's, you'll only have 2 z's, so we'll have to say z squared. So that's factoring this. Okay, we factored the common monomial factor out.